Which numbers of these would you say if you were going to count from 27 to 31? 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Let's get them to in order. 27, 28, 29, 30, and 31. We didn't use these numbers because they weren't between 27 and 31. Let's try it with some different numbers. Oh, those are the same. But the question's going to be different. Can you please put the numbers in order from 29 to 34? We're not going to use 27 this time, are we? 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. The numbers we didn't use were less than 29. So these would need to be over here. 27 and 28 are less than 29. What we're going to work on today is we're going to work on unlocking the problem so we know exactly what they're asking for. Cassidy has the number card shown below. She gives away cards with numbers less than 49 and greater than 53. Which number cards does Cassie have now? What do we know? We know that Cassie has number cards. We know that she gives away cards that are less than 49 and greater than 53. We need to find out the number cards that Cassidy has now. What information do I need to use? I need to know the number cards that are less than 49 because she's not going to keep those, and the numbers that are greater than 53. I look at the numbers. 47 is less than 49. 47, 48, 49. So 48 is also less than 49. 50, whoops, there's not a 50, 50, 51. She would keep that one because it is greater than 49 and less than 53. She's going to keep 52, but 54 is greater than 53. So she is going to keep the cards 51 and 52. Let's try another. Tony has these number cards. He gives away the cards less than 16 and greater than 19. Which number cards does Tony have now? Let's look up here. What do I need to find? I need to find the number cards that Tony has now. The information I'm going to use is I'm going to take away the number cards that are less than 16. Let's do that part first. Less than 16. 15 is less than 16. All of the other number cards are greater than 16. But we also need to find the ones that are greater than 19. So if I start counting on from 19, I would accept 20 and 22. So the Tony has the number cards 17 and 18. Let's try another one. Felipe has these number cards. He gives away cards with numbers. I'm going to underline this time the important part, that are less than 60 and greater than 65. What number cards does Felipe have now? So we need to find out what number cards Felipe has now. So we're going to start with the ones that are less than, smaller than 60. 58 is smaller than 60. All the others are greater than 60. And greater than 65. So Felipe has 61, 63, and 65. Here is one. This one's a little tricky, so you need to be really careful, but we're still going to compare the numbers. Some cows are in the field. 6 more cows walk over. Now there are 13 cows. What do we know? We know that there are 13 cows altogether, and that 6 join them. So I'm going to start with those 6 that join them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, what I need to find out is how many cows were in the field before. So we have 6, and we need to get to 13. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. But it's asking how many were in the field before, so that would be these green cows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there were 7 cows in the field before. What's important to remember is to make sure you look at what we know and what we need to find out. Hot, hot, hot. 8. Ed has 6 marbles. How many marbles can he put in a red cup, and how many marbles can he put in a blue cup? You know he's got 6. You can do it however you want. This is one of our easiest hot, hot, hots we've ever had. I'm going to go with black so it'll show. If I do 1, 2, 3, then I would say 4, 5, 6. You don't even have to do that because you all are so super duper smart. You could do 3 plus 3, 4 plus 2, 5 plus 1. You just have to make sure that both cups have a marble. This is similar to what we started with. Gavin crosses out the numbers that are less than 25. I think it helps to underline the parts we are looking for. Less than 25 and greater than 29. Let's go ahead and cross out the numbers that are less than 25 because we know we're not going to use those. And then greater than 29. Because this is a test prep, it would be like you were taking one of those standardized tests, like our STAR Math test, where you just have to find the answer. So we know that the answer is 26 and 28, so we'll look for 26 and 28 and color that in. This should help you if you are confused with how to do your homework.